Welcome to this module on VideoCom Capture, a powerful utility software that allows you to create screen recordings and screenshots that can be instantly shared. In this module, we will cover everything you need to know to use this app effectively, from how to get started with the software to its features and functionalities to best practices for creating and sharing engaging content with it. With VideoCom Capture, you can easily communicate your ideas and share information with your audience thanks to its intuitive and user-friendly interface. Whether you need to create a quick screen capture or a more elaborate video presentation, VideoCom Capture makes it easy to do so with just a click of a button. We will guide you through the process of creating screen recordings and screenshots and show you how to customize your captures with annotations and voiceovers. We'll also cover the sizing options available with the software as well as its sharing capabilities so you can easily share your creations with your intended audience. By the end of this module, you will have a comprehensive understanding of VideoCom Capture and be equipped with the skills you need to use to create engaging and informative content for your audience. So, let's get started and learn how to level up your communication with VideoCom Capture.
To download and install VideoCom Capture, follow these steps. Visit our website at videocom.com. Look for a Download Capture on the software's product page. Click the button, and the download should begin automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. For Windows installation, double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation process. A setup wizard should appear. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will include selecting the installation folder. When the installation is complete, the software should be ready to use. You can find it in your system tray or by searching for it. For Mac installation, double-click the downloaded file to open it and follow the on-screen instructions. The software should now be installed and can be accessed from your Applications folder or by using Spotlight Search. You can also find it in your menu bar. Let's get started with VideoCom Capture. There are two ways to start capturing your screen with this powerful software. The first way is to click on the VideoCom Capture icon in your system tray or menu bar for Mac OS and select Start Capture. Alternatively, you can press a hotkey to start capturing. By default, the hotkey for starting your capture is by pressing both the Ctrl plus print screen keys, Shift Command 5 for Mac OS, but you can customize this to your preference in the VideoCom Capture hotkey settings. Once you have initiated the capture, a prompt will appear asking you whether you want to take a screenshot or start recording a video. You can use the hotkeys S for a screenshot or V for a video. Next, let's customize VideoCom Capture to your preferences. You can access the settings by right-clicking on the app's system tray icon and selecting Settings. This will open up the Settings window where you can adjust a number of different options. Under the General tab, you can change the app's behavior to suit your needs. For example, you can choose to automatically open your browser or local directory after uploading media, or to have the app start up when your system starts. You can also choose to show the capture frame and action bar in your recordings and to include system and process information with uploads. To access your captured media, simply click on the VideoCom Capture icon in your system tray and select My Captures. You can also access locally captured media files by navigating to the default location. If you wish, you can change the location of your local media files by clicking on Change under the Local Directory Captured Media section. Finally, under the Hotkeys tab, you can customize the hotkeys for Start Capture, Pause or Resume Recording, Start or Stop Recording, Take a Screenshot, and Record a Video. The hotkeys will react globally, so we recommend setting a combination of keys. If needed, you can click Reset to Defaults to revert VideoCom Capture to its original hotkey settings. VideoCom Capture offers 3 screen capture modes for your convenience. Full screen. This option captures your entire screen. Window. This option captures the active window on your screen. Region. This option allows you to select a specific area of your screen to capture. By default, VideoCom Capture auto-selects the window your mouse is hovering over. Moving your mouse over another window will automatically select that window. To utilize the region mode, simply click and hold anywhere on the screen and drag the rectangle until it encompasses the desired area and shape. You can use the magnifying tool to ensure you have accurately selected the desired area. Once you've selected the region, VideoCom Capture's toolbar will appear above the chosen area. The toolbar will offer you a third mode, full screen, which is accessible by clicking on the Toggle Full Screen button. VideoCom Capture allows you to easily adjust the size and position of the capture area by dragging the corners of the rectangle that appears on your screen when you select the capture region. To do this, hover over the edge or corners of the rectangle until you see the resize cursor, double-headed arrow, then click and drag the edge to make it bigger or smaller. Now, let's explore the available tools for annotating your screenshots and recordings. In VideoCom Capture's toolbar, you will find a range of tools available to help you capture your screen with ease. Starting from the left, you will be able to toggle between taking a screenshot and recording a video. Depending on your choice, the camera icon will look different. The next available tool will display the exact size of your selected region, which can be adjusted based on your requirements. You will also find an icon that allows you to toggle between full screen and region modes. If you have chosen to record your screen, you will then have the option to choose your sound input. Select the microphone of your choice and adjust the background noise reduction settings if necessary. Additionally, you can choose whether or not to include audio coming from your computer, which can be useful for recording videos with their soundtrack. To use annotations in VideoCom Capture, you can access the annotation tools via the toolbar. Once you have selected the region to capture, you will see the toolbar on top of your selected region. The annotation elements are accessible via the following buttons: text, arrows, box, freehand, highlight. Each of these buttons corresponds to a different annotation tool that you can use to enhance your capture. To add an annotation to your capture, simply click on the corresponding button in the toolbar and select the element you want to use. For example, if you click on the Add Text button, you can type in the text box that appears on the screen. You can customize the color and size of the text using the options in the toolbar. Similarly, if you click on the Box button, you can draw a box around a specific part of your capture. You can customize the color, thickness, and size of the box. Text fields can be added to each corner of the box. You can also use the Freehand tool to draw freehand annotations, the Highlight tool to highlight specific parts of your capture, and the Arrows tool to add arrows to your capture. Each of these tools also comes with its own set of customization options that can be accessed from the toolbar. Text fields can also be added to all these tools. Once you have added an annotation to your capture, you can move it around or resize it by clicking and dragging it with your mouse. You can also delete an annotation by selecting it and pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. With your region selected and annotations in place, you're all set to capture a screenshot, take a scrolling screenshot, or start a video recording. In the next steps of this training, we'll guide you through each of these options so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. To take a screenshot using VideoCom Capture, you have two options. Click on the camera icon in the toolbar to take a screenshot. Depending on your VideoCom Capture settings, the screenshot will be saved either on VideoCom Cloud, as a local file on your computer, or both. Alternatively, click on the Copy button or use your system's hotkeys to copy the screenshot to your clipboard. This will allow you to paste the image into any application of your choice, including VideoCom Presenter. In VideoCom Capture, you have the ability to capture a scrolling screenshot. Here's how you do it. Find the arrow next to the camera icon and click on it. From the drop-down menu, choose take a scrolling screenshot. Once you're ready, click on the scrolling screenshot icon. As your screenshot progresses, use the down arrow or your mouse scroll wheel to navigate the page, capturing everything as you scroll. When you've captured all the content you need, click again on the scrolling screenshot icon to end the capture. The location of your saved screenshot, whether it's stored in VideoCom Cloud, as a local file on your computer, or both, depends on your preferences, which you can adjust in your settings. When recording a video using VideoCom Capture, follow these steps. Click on the video camera icon in the toolbar to start recording the selected region. To pause the recording temporarily, click the Pause Recording button. You can resume the recording by clicking on the Record button again. If you want to restart the entire recording process without saving the current active capture, click the Redo Recording button. The current recording will be removed from memory and overwritten by a new recording process. You can use your microphone to add a narration or description to the video, but system audio will not be recorded unless you choose to do so. Click the Stop button to end the recording. The video will be saved according to your VideoCom Capture settings, either on VideoCom Cloud, as a local file on your computer, or both.
In conclusion, VideoCom Capture is a powerful and user-friendly software that enables you to create and share engaging and informative content quickly and easily. In this module, we have covered everything you need to know to use this app effectively, from downloading and installing the software, to customizing the settings and capture modes, to using the annotations and recording videos and screenshots. We hope that this module has equipped you with the skills you need to start creating high-quality content with VideoCom Capture. Don't forget to practice and experiment with the different features and functionalities of the software to unleash your creativity and take your communication to the next level.